want to find the value of a and b such that this a and b is a member of positive integer. Then from here, let us multiply through by ab. Then we have from here 3 divided by a plus 4 divided by b equals 5ab. When we multiply through by ab, then from here it implies we have 3ab divided by a plus 4ab divided by b equals 5ab. Then from here, this we cancel this, we have 3b plus this we cancel this, we have 4a equals 5ab. Then let us rearrange the expression as, let's take the whole of this to the other side. Then we are going to have 5ab, then minus 4a minus 3b to be equals 0. Then from here, let us factor 5. Let's take this and this together. So we are going to have 5ab minus 3b minus 4a to be equals 0. I think b is common in both, so let us factor 5b outside. So when we factor 5b, 5ab divided by 5b, here will be a, then minus 3b divided by 5b, here will be minus 3 divided by 5, then here will be minus 4a. Then from here, let us do something reasonable. Assuming we had plus 12 divided by 5, definitely we must subtract minus 12 divided by 5, and we should let everything equals 0. So from here, we can do something reasonable. We are going to have 5b into a minus 3 divided by 5 as this, then minus 4. Let us factor minus 4 from this. Let's group this one together. So from here, by grouping this together, let us factor minus 4. Here will be a, then this will now be equals minus, so here will now be minus, when you factor minus 4 from here will be minus 3 divided by 5. Then let's take it to be equals, let's take this one to the other side, we have here to be 12 divided by 5. Then a minus 3 divided by 5, a minus 3 divided by 5 is common, so we can also factor it out as a minus 3 divided by 5, then the whole of this divided by a minus 3 divided by 5, we have only 5b. The whole of this here divided by this, we have only minus 4 to be equals 12 divided by 5. Then we are going to realize that from here you want to eliminate 5. When you multiply this one by 5, it will cancel this. You want to eliminate this 5. Let us also multiply this side by what? 5. So when you open the bracket with this, we are going to have 5a, then 5 multiplied by 3 divided by 5, it will cancel this. We have here to be only 3. Then multiply again, 5b minus 4 to be equals this, we cancel this, we have 12. Then from here, we have to do something reasonable. So we believe that 12 equivalent to, as when you say 1 times 12, or you have 12 times 1, or you have 3 times 4, or you have 4 times 3. Then let's consider the first one. When we consider this first expression, we will realize that we have this as 5a minus 3 to be equals 1. And from here, we're going to have our 5a to be equals 1 plus 3. And this will be equals 4. So we are going to have a to be equals 4 divided by 5. So we don't want this fraction. We don't want this fraction. We want normal real number that is not a fraction. We don't want a decimal. So we don't want this solution. This is wrong. So we also consider this one. When we consider this one, what we are going to have will be 5a minus 3 to be equals 12. Then from here we have 5a to be equals 12 plus 3 will be equals 15. So by dividing through by 5, this we cancel this, we have our a to be equals 3. Okay? Then from here as well, when we have 5b minus 4 to be equals 1. So we are going to have 5b to be equals 1 plus 4. Then we have our 5b to be equals 5. By dividing through by 5, from here, we have our b to be equals 1. So that is the first solution. So for the second solution, we got this value of a equals 3, value of b equals 1. So let us consider this one. When you consider this one, we are going to have a fraction. So we don't want this one. Let us also consider this. So from here, it implies that we are going to have, let us verify it. Then from here, we have to also have 5a minus 3 to be equals this one. We have here to be 3. So we have 5a equals, this will be 3 plus 3 will be 6. So we are going to have a fraction. So we don't want this. So when you also consider this one, we are going to have 5a minus 3 to be equals 4. Then we realize that 5a to be equals 3 plus 4 will be 7. We don't want a fraction. We also reject this. So let us also test when you have when you have 2 times 6 and 6 times 2. Let's see what will happen. It implies that from here, 5 minus 3 will be equals 2 again. So from here we have 5a equals 3 plus 2 will be 5. So we have our a to be equals, when you divide through by 5, a equals 1. And likewise, we also have 5b minus 4 to be equals 6. So then we have 5b to be equals 6 plus 4 will be 10. Then from here we have our b to be equals 2. So we also have b equals to another solution. So when you consider this, then when you also consider this, let's see what will happen. We have 5a minus 3 to be equals 6. So we have 5a to be equals 3 plus 6 will be 9. So this will also give us decimal. So we don't want this solution. So therefore, guys, we only have the two solutions for the value of a and b. We have a, the first one to be equals 3, and b to be equals 1. That's the first one. Likewise, we also have the second one to be a equals 1, then b equals 2. And this one is where you say we have 1 times 12. And this is when you say you have 2 times 6. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more maths tutorial videos. And here are the steps. Bye-bye.